Ito lang yung yaman na meron sila, kaya wag dapat natin itong baliwalain. Yung mga uniform nila at sapatos, pagtsatsagaan na lang muna at bags, importante, makapasok sila sa school.
Yes.
Melody Baron, tamang diskarte po ang kailangan. Elementary pa lang ang dalawa kong anak at hatid sundo ko po, malapit lang naman pong school, kaya pwedeng lakarin, sayang din yung 50 pesos pang tricycle. Pambaon na rin po nila yun.
Correct.
Speaking of baon, kahit ano lang po, basta mabusog sila. Hindi naman sila mapili. Ang importante, may makain sila sa oras ng recess. Tama naman.
Galing, magagaling ha.
Oh, gagaling nila. Si Maribel.
Si Maribel!
Ito, malapit na daw mabaliw, anak pa more. Ay, naku, Maribel, Belikoy. Sabi ni Jessica,
Ano sabi?
ngayong taon lang, hindi naka-uniform, ngayong taon lang, di nakapag-provide ng bagong uniform, bag, sapatos at lunch bag para sa anak dahil sa mga biglaang problema. Doon naubos ang mga sahod na dapat ipambili ng mga gamit. At sa puntong to, nadaan namin sa mabuting pakikipag-usap sa anak dahil siya ay grade 2 na, may alam na siya sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero ang baon niya ay talagang safe na. Bumili ako ng isang balot ng Richie's at Pudgy Bar. Uy,
Talaga naman.
para hindi nabibili sa tindahan. O mas makakamura
Yes,
pag
correct.
isang balot kaysa sa tingi-tingin.
Correct.
Oo. Pag binili daw 10 pesos, samantalang sa grocery, 10.
And Alpao. Alpao! Alpao!
Siya yung sumisigaw na drummer. Di ba? And the back,
Sumasayaw.
great energy. You know, everything that you guys have been doing. It's been a while, but you guys are back. What's been keeping you guys busy? Is it family? Is it, the multi-million businesses that you guys do? What is it?
Life. So, family, life, music, and kids. Just, everything you can imagine.
And then when you guys reunited as a band again, o Tugtuguli tayo, di ba? So what was it? What was the driving force? When did this come about? The meeting of the Avengers? Kailan nangyari to?
No, so we got back 2015. So we never actually stopped playing. It's just that, internally we have our own timeline as a band and as individuals. So it's just finding that spot where we can stay healthy, mentally, physically, and just deal with life. We've been playing for 20 years now.
Has it been
It's our
20
anniversary
years?
as well. It's our 20th anniversary. So yeah, our first single.
Since the day you said goodnight, since Broken Sonnet.
Yes, Broken Sonnet.
You have
20
to
years
come a little
ago.
forward to the light so people see you guys.
So, it's been a while.